Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to create your own stories or animation videos without any complicated software? Or wondered if there's a tool that can turn your ideas into animated videos instantly? Well, today I'm going to show you an amazing platform called Readkidz.com that does exactly that. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard. Here, you can create stories, animations, images, and even ebook makeovers. First, let's try the story feature. Start by entering your topic and a brief story description. Before that, you can adjust settings like age range, for example, 7 to 9 years, 9 to 12 years, and more. Then, select the story type. There are options like holiday, adventure, fairy tales, and others. Next, choose a story theme and other options like third-person perspective. Finally, select the aspect ratio such as 16 to 9 for YouTube. For example, my prompt is, a young girl named Lily finds a glowing key in her garden that opens a secret door to magical worlds. Once ready, hit the generate button. It will take a little time, so wait patiently while the script is generated. Next, click Extract Roles to assign characters. Here, you can select the style option. Readkidz.com offers multiple styles: stylized, sketchy, dolls, simple cartoon, rainbow, dreamy, and more. I'll select the animated glow style. Click Next, and it will start processing. Now it's time to select the character images. Pick your favorite characters and click Generate. The AI will create images for you. First, it will show the storyboard. And here, you need to generate the images. You can generate multiple images per page if your story has several pages. Once the images are ready, it's time to add a voiceover. But before that, try the Chat PS feature, a newly launched editing tool. You can customize every detail in your images. For example, you can add butterflies or extra fruits to a scene by simply clicking Create. The edits appear instantly. After editing, click the Preset button to explore ready-made templates. Then, click the mic icon to add a voiceover.
The Garden Key and Lily's Riddles. Early one bright morning, Lily tiptoed out to her garden, slippers barely rustling the grass. The dew sparkled on every leaf and petal, and somewhere, a robin chirped, "Cheer up, cheerily," as if urging her on. Lily had always known her garden was special, but today, beneath the roots of her favorite rosebush, something strange glimmered in the earth. She knelt down and with gentle fingers brushed the soil away. Nestled among the roots was a tiny golden key.
And that's it. Your children's picture book is now ready. You can watch it, share it, or use it as part of your ebook or story project. Next, let's talk about how you can create animation videos on Readkidz.com. First, adjust your settings. Choose the render age, story type, story theme, and the aspect ratio. Once that's done, paste your brief prompt and click Generate. The tool will first generate the script. Next, click Extract Roles to assign characters automatically. Then, select your favorite style. This time, I'll choose the pixel style. After that, pick your characters and click Generate Images. You can pick your favorite character, and if you want, so you can regenerate it. Once the images are ready, click Next to generate the storyboard. Wait patiently while it processes, then move to the next page. Click Generate for each prompt to create all the images for your animation. If you want to make edits, you can use the Chat PS feature to adjust or enhance any part of the images. After finalizing the visuals, click the mic icon to add a voiceover. At the top, you can see the animation button inside the script section. When I click on it, it takes us to the storyboard. Here, you'll find all the dialogues, scenes, and images. Now, I want to convert these images into an animation video. So, I'll click on the Generate Video button. If you want, you can also select the output prompt here. As you can see, my animation video is now ready. To confirm, I'll again click on the Generate Video button to turn all images into animation. Once all images are converted, it's time to preview the video. I'll click on the Animation Preview button and it will open the preview mode, where I can check all the scenes and animations. Next, it's time to add voiceover. I'll click on the mic icon and add the voice. You'll see multiple voice options here. Just pick your favorite one. Once the voice is added, you can also include background music to make it more engaging. Now, I'll click on the Generate Video button again. Here, I can select the scenes I want to include. I'll select all scenes and click Confirm. It will start processing, and after a few moments, our video will be ready. Finally, I'll preview the final result.
Mia and the Secret Map of Whispering Woods. Sunlight filtered through the attic window, making dust dance. Mia tiptoed around boxes and forgotten toys. She was looking for adventure, and today, she found it. Behind an old trunk, she spotted a rolled-up paper tied with a red ribbon.
Once everything is done, your beautiful animation video is ready. You can download it easily and use it for your projects. Creating animation videos is this simple. If the animation doesn't look right, we can go back, adjust the prompts, or regenerate new images using Chat PS. Then, we return to the animation page, select the updated images, and create the video again. I've already made these fixes, and now the final animation looks much better. The link is available in the description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.